A practical way that you can use NX Animation Designer is in verifying your tooling. In this case, we have these two clamps here in the middle, and we want to verify that they're not going to collide. Typically what we would do is we would just look at the clamps in an up or in a down position. So in down looks good. Up looks good. So at first glance we would say that this design, no problem. It's going to work exactly like we want. But is that really the case? I'm going to go to the Animation Designer tab. I've already added a couple of motors and some movement. I'm just going to hit play and watch how my clamps act. We can see that there is definitely some interference. If I turn on the collision, then I can see it. So as it turns out, looks like my design, it's not so good after all, that it's not going to work. Or is it? Let me stop this for just a moment. With NX Animation Designer, we can also adjust a timeline. So I'm going to take the timing of these motors and I'm just going to adjust them a little bit so that they'll start just a half second after the others. Let me hit play. And look at that, no collision. This is just one practical way in which NX Animation Designer can work for you.